Takeoff. Home point updated.
YouTube, how's it going, everyone? Had to take off kind of quick here because of where I'm at. But I am in Tampa near the Veterans Memorial Park. We'll go in sunny mode here. It is a little windy out here, but it's the intersection of Highway 301 and MLK. Here to my left, kind of like in the top center, is the Florida State Fairground. I know I can't fly over there. And I'm just going to fly on the outskirts of this Veterans Memorial Park here. So we'll come on around. I should be turning into a huge flag, I think. There it is. It may look small, but that thing is huge. Oh, glory. I'm under the weather a little, so my voice may be sound a little different, but okay, let me back up just a little, and then we'll get over here. I'm not sure what this parking lot is, but I parked here. It was a little too much traffic running here, so I just came up to the front. Okay, let's get over this park here. And it's a very nice park, actually. And again, this is Highway 301. Coming up on the entrance. I've asked one of the rangers, may have been like a year ago or so, if I could fly my drone here, and he said he didn't really have a problem with it. Just stay away from the people, which I knew, but I'm going to zoom in here shortly. But this is it's a building where you can go and get what they call them, VSO, Veteran Service Officers. I think they offer a lot of services here in this building, but we'll get a better look at it when we're on the other side of the park. And here, I'm not sure how much of the displays we could pick up on the camera, but I'll try and zoom in when I see something interesting. And there's a residence on the other side of it, but let's zoom in. I'm at 3x zoom. I think this is an aircraft, a small aircraft. And you see that a tank near it. And this wall is my, I'm gonna go down just a little. I got the mini drone, so I'm not over anyone, but they shouldn't hear it. It's a little windy outside. I definitely want to, I'm gonna go up here. And then I'll try and let me get the front of that wall. Bear with me. Where am I here? We'll back up just a little. And let's see if I can zoom in on this thing. It's still, this look here is not doing it any justice, so I may go over there after I finish flying, and then just do a snap a picture with my phone, but we'll see how it turns out. But let me zoom back out. I'm just going slow, see if I can see any more displays. They built this maybe like within a year or so, but there's a lot of seating under there now. But they usually have something for Memorial Day and different days throughout the year, holidays. But oh, here's the building I was telling you about. It's a nice building. I've been in there several times. Now let's just back it up. And see if I can see that wall again. There it is. And we'll zoom in from here. I think that's the wall. Let's zoom in. I think that is it. But again, I'll get a better picture of it. I'll just go over and snap a picture when I finish flying here. There's a lot to take in. There's a small museum here. And because of the trees, I'm not sure if we're going to see the rest of the displays, but let's zoom in just a little. I'll go over and take several pictures, I guess, and post them at the end of this video. Okay. I was planning on walking this trail here, so it'll be a good idea to get some of the layouts. And we'll go up here. I'm in cine mode. Maybe I'll go to normal. No wind warnings yet. Losing a few bars. Let me get up a little. As I fly.
Max altitude reached.
There we go. Well, we gained them back briefly, but not sure how far we'll be able to go. Wow, this trail goes way back here. There we go. Yeah, I didn't know this trail go this far back here. Wow. I'm assuming it ends here. But let's pretty sport mode and get over here.
Unavailable. File with caution.
Yeah, I'm losing signal, so I'm gonna have to turn around. You know, if you can hear that motorcycle revving its engine. We're coming back. We're coming back. Let me go back into. I had it in sport mode. That's why I was a little jumpy. But I wanted to do an orbit around that flag, but I don't think that's a good idea now. And here it looks like it's a trail on this side, so. But this is Tampa. And if you take 301 all the way down, you'll run into the town of Brandon. But again, it's windy. Let me get this drone back to me. Let's come back over here. We're going the outside of the park. I'm gonna zoom in just a little more. I'll stop right here. Maybe when it's on the TV or my computer, I can see a little more. But again, it's a nice park, and yeah, I'll just go over here and take some photos and put it on at the end of this video. But that's gonna be it. I'm gonna recover this drone. Just checking one more time to see if I can get another angle of some of the displays. All right. Oh, glory, I want to do an orbit. Hold on, guys. That's far enough there. And let's see. Focus track enable. Let me draw a line. Well, I made it bigger. Oh, it's trying to find a car. There we go. Okay. And see spotlight. And nope, I lost it. I gotta practice on this focus track. It was trying to find a car, and I'm trying to highlight the flag, but I guess I'm a disable that, and I'll do it manually. Doing a good job. Should have had the gimbal up slightly. Okay, that's enough of that. Let's get this drone on here. Start bringing it down. Bringing it down. See where I park here. All right, guys, I won't bore you with this landing, so I'll catch you on the next video. But stand by for some photos of the Veteran Memorial Park.